Hello students, happy Friday. Today we're just kind of going to wrap up what we've learned this week. It's just going to be a short little video. So here was our standard that we talked about. Next week you're going to have a quiz on all of this information, so make sure you've been paying attention. You can go back through the videos if you want and just do a little review. Our standard was to observe and describe the major stages in the life cycle of a frog. We know all the stages, we've done our objective, we've answered our question, and we've done a foldable on our vocabulary. And if you have any questions about this, please ask me. You know I am happy to help if needed. So today I want you to continue watching this video. It's very short, and then catch up on anything else you need to do with science. If you want to go back and do some of the graphic organizers that we've done, go ahead and print them out, or you can just write them on a piece of paper. But make sure you know the different stages in the frog's life cycle. Also, I have a little friend who wanted to say hi in his box. Right? Say hi, Petrie. He's just been chilling. Oh, in his box here all day, and he just wanted to say hi. Right, Petrie? Yeah, he's a good boy. Okay, so we have Alright, here is our frog life cycle graphic organizer that we are going to do. You write my name at the top first. Remember, you can find this in the files at the top. If you want to print out and do it as well, you can do it with me. Okay, so our frog life cycle. I am going to cut all of these things out from the bottom. We have our labels and then our pictures. Our labels will go here, our picture will go here. So I'm going to cut that out real quick, and then we are going to place them. Okay, so I cut out all of my pieces. I have my labels and my pictures. Let's see, let's start first. My first step of the life cycle, the frog's life cycle, is going to go here. So what happens first with our frog? First are the eggs. So I put my label here. They start out as eggs. Oops. Oh, yeah, let's flip. Okay. So they start out as eggs. Then which picture goes along with the eggs? This one. These are what frog eggs look like. So that's first. We have our frog eggs. Then those eggs hatch. And what do they become then? They become a tadpole. So our tadpoles are still swimming. They have their tail that helps them move. We have our tadpole next. After that, our tadpole grows legs and it becomes a froglet. It looks like this. Here's our froglet, still has its tail. Then eventually its tail goes away and it becomes a frog. So that's our last step of the frog life cycle. Now our frog life cycle does not end there. It continues. So our grown-up frogs mate, and then they have eggs. They lay their eggs. The eggs become tadpoles. Tadpoles grow legs, become froglets. And they keep going. So our froglets become frogs, and so on.